Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Junaid Mohammed. Today I'm going to be showcasing release 2 of the ongoing Living and Learning project. With me today is my group mate and good friend Ashraf Mahdi.
Hello.
He's going to be showcasing the latter half of this video. To start things off, I'm going to start with showcasing the homepage and all the features. We've got the title and we've got the taskbar up here. This taskbar is accessible from throughout the entire website. As you can see, if I scroll down and scroll up, the taskbar is available to me right here. Certain buttons do different things, such as the reviews button right here. This takes you down to the review section where you can add a review. As well as up here, we've got a quote, the newsletter, and we've got a text-to-speech button right here that reads out anything on the website to you.
Newsletter.
This is made to accommodate anyone with accessibility needs. We've also got the newsletter right here where you can manually view the newsletter on the website like this and see anything regarding it, as well as you can subscribe to the newsletter. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe right here. As you can see, your subscription was successful, and I get the notification that I've been subscribed to the newsletter. Therefore, any changes to the newsletter in the future, this account will be now notified about it, as will be all users that are subscribed to the newsletter. As we can go ahead and add a review to the website. This is amazing. I love it. My name is Bob Kuzi. Email, just add something random in there, and we'll give a rating. I'll go ahead and if I look for Bob Kuzi right here, the review's been added publicly. As well as we've got more information about the services, cheer group offers, the partners and contributors, as well as we have the ability to contact the admin right here. We'll send an email, Rob Stillman, email, store number and message, and the admin will be notified about this contact request. As you can see, there'll be all the information relevant here. Go ahead, go back to the taskbar, and we have the register button right here. If you want to join the ongoing Living and Learning program, you can go ahead and register all your information like so. And we'll go ahead and submit. And there you go, our registration is successful. The admin will be notified that a new user approval is needed, and you will also get an email to yourself telling you to verify your email right here. If you go ahead and click that, oh, this is an expired link right here. There you go. And tells you your account has now been verified, so you can go ahead and sign in. And taking things away from the admin side will be Ashraf.
Okay, so let's first log into the account. Okay, so the first thing on the admin dashboard is the user management page. So this is where you can do different stuff, such as activate the user that we just signed up. We can delete a user if need be. We can edit their information if needed, as well as view their information. And we can see the main information in the tab over here. Now the next thing is the bulk email. So this is your ability to send a mass announcement to everyone. So let's say I want to send to the, let's just say I want to send an email here, and I send it. It says has been successfully sent. And if I was to go open the link over here, the email over here, as you can see, it just sent an email. And then after that, you can also register users from the admin dashboard if that's needed as well, directly from there. Next thing is the calendar. So the calendar is where all the events and creating events is handled. So as you can see here, there's different events that are here. So there's Pokemon Raid over here. Let's say that's an event. You can even assign staff to them. There's these are the participants. You can update an event. You can change it from here. You can delete an event as well. You can also create an event. So let's say I was going to go here. Let's say I was to create an event such as event 1, and I can start it from between this period over here. And let's say I was to do like that. Let's say event and test, and I was to assign a staff to it, and I was to add participants to it as well, which are the different young adults that are in the organization. And I can create an event, and as you can see over here, it is added. The idea is that the event wouldn't really be months long, but that's where the duration of it is going. and it's in the agenda as well, and it shows different things that you can do here. So that's the calendar stuff. Next off is the chatting room. So in the chatting room, let's say I was to go to a chat, I can send messages here. So my friend will now send a message like in event 1, and it should pop up here once he sends it. Let's just try it again. So yeah, so this is him just sending a chat. So I can also, as an admin, I can delete the chats if needed. So let's say I want to delete them, then it just deletes there from the chats. Next off, so these are like different chat rooms on the side over here as well, and you can also create a chat room, and you can send messages through the bar over here. Next off is the news management page. So let's say I was to add a news, testing news. So this is where I can like upload a PDF, and it will show on the front page. And let's say I sent the visibility to public, and I can upload a PDF from my laptop over here. Can you show me a PDF? Here.
Just a random PDF?
Yeah, just a random PDF.
You'll find one. Added a dummy PDF.
So let's say I was to add the dummy PDF. It says news submitted, and then it shows here, and all the users that were subscribed to it will then be notified about it, and you can also access it through here. So like I'm just getting an email, and you will be sent the all your newsletter. You can actually open it from here, dummy PDF file. So that's effectively what happens. And after that is you can also change, like every user has the ability to change their account settings, so like changing their password, their name and email as well if needed. Next off is the shift management for the admins. So the staff can like clock in and clock out through the website, and the admin can then like just have like shift management. They can view all the shifts, how many hours they worked, who it was, when the hours that they worked off in. So like here for example, Bob Charlie logged in between 5:50 p.m. and after 2 seconds they clocked out. You can also edit their shift if needed, for example, if that is very needed, that is possible. So yeah, you can also search by, so assuming there's like too many shifts, you can search for them in the top over here. Next off is the reviews. So these are like ability to like review manage. So let's say I want to delete a review, a feedback, then you can do that. So yeah, and then you can also show the reviews that are hidden. You can hide them from the front page, and that will then allow them not to be visible on the front page at all. Next off is the form builder. So what this is like a waiver form. So parents will have to like sign the forms that are created through here. So as you can see, I already have like a form that is built over here, and then happens is that the event waiver form, so I have it on the admin page for testing purposes, but what this is like, this is the waiver form that say you want to sign up for the events that you create through the calendar. What the other users then have to do is like they just kind of sign up for those events through the form over here, making sure that they are actually signing up. And I already have one over here, like this is a form sign up, and these are like different users that have signed up. So for example, Diane has said yeah, I want to sign up. So that's the admin dashboard. I also want to log out, and I want to show you the staff dashboard as well. So I believe one account that we have, bobcharlie@gmail.com. And so if I was to log into that, it says hey, don't forget to clock in if you're working today. So let's say I want to go to shift management, I can clock in, so clocked in successfully. And once I'm done, I can like clock out. And if I have an issue, then I can submit an appeal to the admin, which they can then see through the shift management page. I can also have the chatting room. Again, I can access the different chats. So as you can see, I was the Bob Charlie user, and I was the one that previously sent through a different browser. Now they're over here, and the other users are on the other side. I can also change my account, and I can show it, and I can see the form signups. So yeah, that's basically everything on our website. Again, just to reiterate some stuff, We also do have a text-to-speech that you can move around anywhere on the page, and you can highlight anything and you can run it as well.
User forms management.
Then you can stop it and you can reset it through this button over here. So yeah, that's everything about our website. That's basically everything. There are, of course, the parent dashboard and the student dashboard as well, but most of the stuff has been shown through the admin dashboard. So for testing purposes and for time, I already showed the chat. Yeah.
Oh.
So for testing purposes and for time, that's everything. Thank you.